The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. No matter how we look at it, it is clear and is not to be visualized. We use a yoga that has no origin or applications, and the way things are to conceptualize the meaning of this. The eye of wisdom has no view and does not see. Dharmas are luminous in the bodhicitta. The bodhicitta is itself clear light. It has no border or center. It dwells in unity. Whatever may appear, be it the 5 desires, the 5 objects, or the 5 attachments and hatreds, there is nothing other than our mind. It is not them, while it is not anything else. Samsara blazes in the light of wisdom. We use an awareness that is self-luminous and does not engage to investigate the essence without seeing it or engaging in it. We use a luminescent wisdom that has no position to overwhelm the ones who see things in terms of positions. In the beginning, there is no motion in our minds. In the end, we leave behind the limitations of birth and death. The self-originating Vajra has no birth or ending. It is perfected in a single instant. It is not to be developed gradually. There are no instants. There is no continuity. The self-luminescence of awareness is perceived directly. The stages of inference are lies that deceive us. The transmission of the luminescence of unique reality is a bodhicitta made of causes and conditions and supports a wheel of spinning wisdom. It may manifest as anything. It is clear in everything. It dwells in the dominion of the self-luminescent sky. We place the wheel of aware wisdom over the wheel of delusion, the happiness and sorrow of the apparent world. In the state of self-origination there is nothing else. Without any joining or separation, it touches us. This encompassing and pervasive awareness is all good. The way it shines is how it is. Its space expands and contracts, but it is unpolluted and entirely perfect. It shines as one. The light of supreme awareness pervades the crystal palace of the luminescent sky. Self-luminescent awareness has been determined to be the best. We will understand this clearly when we join symbols with meanings. The highest of the secret dharmas is the supreme state of invisible awareness. It transcends the objects of our thought and practice. We cannot conceptualize a definition that is not complicated. To begin with, all the dharmas that appear are of the world, are in a true condition of being unborn. In the interim, they transcend thoughts and practices. In the end, they do not have any definition for themselves.